Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, that the daily candle, what it's doing here, it's showing a little bit of falling here, but the volume down, it's still very low. And that's what me I told you guys in the past days and the past hours. I told you, look at the volume, what it's doing here. Is getting lower and lower and lower. I told you guys, the volume here is very low, and over here there is no one is believing the Bitcoin it will go higher. But I got for you some news is indicating the market is going to reverse. I'm going to show it to you. So guys, let's go to see the news I told you to explain to you more about the picture here. The news, guys, is the one. As you see it here, Bitcoin SCARCITY rise as bad exchanges take 1.2 million Bitcoin out of circulation of the Bitcoin because there is a certain number of Bitcoin circulating in the market. The exchanges, they took it out 1.2 million, guys. That's a big number. And as you see here, historical data around crypto crashes reveal that 14 crypto exchanges together were responsible for the loss at least of 1.19 thousand BTC, representing 6.3 of the 19.2 Bitcoin currently in circulation. You know what that meant or no? That's a very bad news, guys. And the halving cycle is coming soon, guys. So the Bitcoin is getting dry out from the market, guys. That will go on to rise the price of the Bitcoin in the coming days, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You know what I'm saying or no? Let's say I'm just going to give you here a small example for the picture to be more clear to you. Let's say there is 20 eggs. That 20 eggs, let's say we're selling them by $1 per each. Then the halving cycle is going to come and take it off 10 from the 20 eggs. So we're going to leave only with 10 eggs. So anyone who got an egg, what he going to do by it? He will not sell it because he know it is getting more expensive and the demand is going to get more higher, guys. Yes, now at this moment where we are now, the demand is very low, but even the supply is getting low, guys. Picture is too clear to you or no? That's what also we're trying to tell you here. It's going back now to the chart. Also we're telling you guys before, at that level where we are here, if we fall down, it's okay. If we don't, from that level here, start DCA. Once a week, once a month, start DCA. It's going to take long here sideways, guys, but you started DCA. For us to enter long, it's not yet, guys. It need to come to break here. So us here, we still sideways as you see it. And the volume is indicating that there is no one believing the Bitcoin it will go higher. But me, I'm showing you why the Bitcoin it will go higher. I'm giving you the news. I'm giving you all those things. Everything is too clear? By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel every day put on for you 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, my friend. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, so like that you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. That, if you remember what else we've been talking here about the 4 hours. I told you some people, they told you here we got a wedge like that. I told you that things is not right. All that it's wrong, guys. And I proved that to you. I show you the wedge. It's being broken here. In that level here. In that candle here, it's being broken. So here will have you enter long. So now it go back again down and down. Look at it. Here, it's being broken again down. Here, in that candle here, it's being broken down. So here you need to enter short. No, my friend. I told you all those things, it doesn't work now at this situation where we are in the market. Because also we got 2 levels here. The one and the one. If it doesn't break up or down, there is no entry, guys. There is no entry. And that's what professional people, they waiting. That's why you see the volume of the Bitcoin down. Look at it here. If you came down here, what you seeing? There is no volume here in that zone. No one want to buy. People, they losing the hope. Or people, they waiting the Bitcoin to break either up or either down. Because now if you're using the more Bollinger Band, you're going to find it like that. Look at it. What it's showing to you, the Bollinger Band here. It's showing to you is getting very squeezed, guys. It's getting very small here. Now we need to wait in either the Bitcoin to break higher or lower. So that place here, after it is going to come a big move, guys. You need to be careful about it, where it's going to go, either up or either down. No one care about where it's going to go, but we need to wait until the Bitcoin it started moving. Now, even if you enter now at this moment, there is no volatility is going to move the price either up or either down, guys. And that's something is not right in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it used to have a big volatility, guys. Bitcoin, it used to move higher and lower very, very quick. At this level where we are, there is no volatility, no volume. And that's why me, I told you it's the right moment to start this, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, you, my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. So please, go ahead and do it. It's not something, guys. It will just take you 1 second, my friend. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. Support us. Now let's go into our indicators, guys. What the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what else we said here when it's breaking here, we told you it's going to fall down. And now that's what it's showing here, guys. Look at it. It's showing it's falling down. And also what we tell you here. Yes, you, my friend, what else we said here. You are right. We said here the bears will controlling. And over here, the bulls will control here. So in that level here, where is the bears they controlling? Told you buy. By the way, for people they don't know what meant the people they want the Bitcoin to fall down. So them were controlling here in that level. Should you buy now? No, my friend, you don't need to buy. You just need to look in for short opportunities here. Everything is too clear. Now, let's go into our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, what we said about it, guys. Said also here we are at the oversold area. That's also what we said. Level, we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter? No, my friend. That's what also we said. We said no. We need to wait in a price action telling us also we need to enter. Where is the price action also we said? We said that one and that one. It's need a candle to come and to close above that level. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. We need to wait in more, guys. Till now, we need to wait in. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, the last video I told you we got here a double bottom like that, as you see it. Here and here and here. I told you it's breaking up. You enter long till here, guys. Here in the last video, we be in here. We tell you started taking some profit here. Look what it done here. It fall down till down here. Now what it given us here in 30 minutes. 30 minutes is something different, guys. Why? I'm going to explain it to you. What it giving you here? It give you here like a triangle, guys. Look at it here. You connecting just those dots here like that. Now if it came and breaking for you that low here, that one here, you enter short. If it came and breaking up here, that one here, as you see it, you enter long. But it's need to break here, guys. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. Everything is too clear. Or it's need to give you here maybe a double bottom or a head and shoulder or something, because till now there is nothing here. Let's see our indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, it's saying also we are here at the oversold area, so we need to look in here for buy opportunity, yes or no. Level, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it like that. Price action, we got one, that one. Look at it. It's need that one to come to close above that level. If it close here, you enter long, guys. Or another scenario is going to give you here a price action, maybe to give you here a head and shoulder or a double bottom, or we don't know what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.